Hello everyone. As an architect, specializing in interior design, selecting the right kitchen type, based on a client's needs is crucial for me. Today, however, I'll be sharing a personal story about designing the kitchen for my own home. So, stay tuned, as this video promises to be captivating for all kitchen enthusiasts. Initially, I had a room designated as a guest room, but I transformed it into a kitchen. The dimensions are 13 feet in length and 9 feet 9 inches in width. Given its size, many might suggest a U-shaped or galley kitchen design. However, there's a balcony at one end with adjacent wardrobe space, and the entrance to the kitchen isn't centrally located. Consequently, I went for a tailor-made design. Here's the layout I settled on. I incorporated an L-shaped counter as the primary workspace. The rear wall is reserved for the refrigerator and a tall storage unit. The wardrobe area has been transformed into a two-tiered storage system with an open shelf at counter height. I relocated the washing area entirely to the balcony. The L-shaped counter is segmented into 3 areas. Right section, dedicated to food preparation and positioned near the wash area. It houses an under-counter vegetable basket and grain trolley. Above it, there's a roll-up cabinet that conceals electrical appliances like juicers, mixers, toasters, and more. Left section, this section is meant for serving prepared meals. It features an under-counter carousel for large utensil storage, a drawer set for cutlery and crockery, and a separate cabinet for waste disposal. Center section, this segment is slightly deeper due to structural columns. Here, I've placed my cooking range, complemented by a set of 3 drawers for cooking utensils and cutlery. Overhead, there's a cabinet system above the longer arm of the L. It's two-tiered. The first tier, on either side of the hood, contains pull-up cabinets for storing spices, oils, and other essentials. There's also an illuminated open shelf on the left, which, given its harder accessibility, is used mainly for decorative items. The second tier offers storage for items that aren't frequently used. In the wardrobe space, I designed a lower section for cutlery and bowls, with an upper section for groceries. A tastefully illuminated niche is nestled between them. Adjacent to the refrigerator, there's a tall unit. This unit is designed to house a built-in microwave oven, with pantry storage both below and above. Aesthetically, I chose a gray and white color palette for the kitchen, intending to use accent yellow lacquer glass on the back wall. However, for safety considerations, I opted for high-gloss tiles instead. That's a snapshot of my completed kitchen design. Thank you for your attention.